Did you hear the sound? Yes, that's right. Today, we are here at the slaughterhouse of Guilin City Food Company Limited. During peak times around traditional festivals, this facility processes up to 2,000 pigs a day. To meet the hot water demand during slaughtering, this slaughterhouse upgraded its system by choosing Newntide heat pumps. 3 units of 11 kilowatts water heaters were installed here. Their maximum outlet water temperatures reach up to 80 degrees Celsius. We've completed the installation and commissioning process.
Hello everyone, my name is Fong Haibao, Newntide's distributor in the Guilin region. Today, I'd like to show you a hot water project we've completed at this slaughterhouse. For this project, we installed a 33-ton water storage tank paired with our heat pump water heaters. Our water heaters can deliver outlet water temperatures between 75 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius, perfectly meeting the slaughterhouse's requirements for pig hair removal. The units have been commissioned and handed over for use. Our client was very satisfied with our system.
With easy installation and high energy efficiency, Newntide heat pump water heaters are reliable hot water solutions for large-scale facilities, helping to ensure efficient operation.